Do you ever find yourself questioning how to make your lectures and assignments more impactful? Well, stay tuned as I am joined by a student and member from the Career Center for Life Calling to unlock some strategies that not only elevate student performance, but also makes your course unforgettable in a student's professional journey. That's coming up next on this edition of 1BQ. This one burning question consists of two closely related sub-questions that complement each other. And they're going to be, what strategies can I use to make the course material more meaningful for students? And how can I motivate students to complete my lectures and assignments? These are excellent questions here. All right, to help with this 1BQ, I'm joined by a student who has some compelling insights, I see some notes right here, on how coursework can be more than just a grade on a transcript. It can be a stepping stone to a fulfilling career. Riley, thank you for joining me today. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on the minds of a lot of our faculty here, some of our faculty who actually wrote into one burning question. And they were thinking about, like, how can we make our coursework more meaningful? And how can we motivate students like yourself to maybe complete these assignments and want to complete these assignments? So, Riley, can you share, like, what maybe motivates you and why you might like a meaningful assignment?
Yeah, so as a student, when my assignments and lectures directly relate to real-world applications, it just gives me a better understanding of the material and what I'm learning. It allows me to learn useful skills and use them in real-world situations. I personally learn better, not by memorizing things, but by applying skills and knowledge. So putting these skills and knowledge into real-world scenarios will help me better understand what I'm learning and overall help my career path.
Oh, awesome. That's fantastic. So what you're saying is, like, when coursework links directly to real world careers, it's like a game changer. That light bulb goes off. Okay, cool. So in your mind or in your students' minds, you're not just learning, you're like preparing for a career, and your career prep starts all the way back in whatever the first semester or the first year, second year, third year, because whatever course you take, hopefully is that launch ramp to your career. Okay, perfect. So now we know a little more about the why. Let's dive into the how. Here are some action steps to take. And number one is to incorporate case studies. Use real-world examples in lectures or in activities. Number two, provide skill mapping. Explicitly and clearly show how course content translates to job roles. And number three, guest speakers. Invite industry professionals to share insights. This can be through recorded video clips from YouTube, or bringing in an industry professional to your classroom. And don't forget our own Career Center for Life Calling, which has so many excellent services for our students. And one of these can even be part of your class right now. With that said, I'd like to bring in my good friend Zach here, who's been waiting patiently. Zach, thank you for joining me today. Can you introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about your department?
Hi, my name is Zach McGrain. I'm the Executive Director of the Career Center for Life Calling here at Ashland University. The Career Center for Life Calling is located in the Student Center on the second floor. We currently serve all Ashland University students, not only here on the Ashland campus, but also on our Mansfield campus and other satellite locations, and even our remote online students. We support the entire portfolio of Ashland University. We also support our alumni. So even as our Eagles go on to bigger and greater things, we're here to support them in their recruiting efforts and or career changes along the way. So we really do support the entire portfolio of Ashland University students, which is very exciting and a great resource for all of our faculty and staff and students that are here at AU.
That's outstanding, Zach. Thank you so much. You and your team really help prepare students for the amazing life that awaits them after graduation. But you offer this one special service that can help faculty and students today. Is that correct?
Yes. We also have a robust portfolio of workshops and professional development seminars that are all about an hour long. So we can fit them within that 50-minute class period. We can come in and make it a full hour. But that content is around resumes and cover letters, networking, and also the job search and interview process. So really trying to lay out a good foundation of all of the professional preparedness that a lot of our students will need. So if there's ever a time where a class may need to be canceled, you're at a conference, or life happens, as we know it all does, we'd love to come into a classroom and really prepare something for no matter what program or major or concentration you may be looking at. So any of those core contents around resume writing, cover letter writing, interviewing, the job search, and also networking, as we know how important all of those areas can be.
Thank you so much, Zach. What a wonderful opportunity for faculty to have in case of a rainy day or even a planned day within the semester. Okay, that rounds out this 1BQ. I want to thank Riley and Zach for helping me out today. And I want to thank you for tuning in. Remember, teach your students for tomorrow. Explicitly connect your coursework to real-world careers and watch your students soar. Thank you so much.